Hey there, food lovers! We created the best German chocolate cake ever. Experience this ultimate dessert with rich chocolate layers, a creamy coconut pecan filling, and silky chocolate frosting that melts in your mouth. Ready to create a masterpiece? Grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get started. Before we begin our baking symphony, let's gather our instruments. We mean ingredients. Baking is like creating a beautiful piece of music. Every ingredient plays its part in the final composition. So, let's make sure we have everything we need before we start. This recipe is surprisingly simple, and you might already have some of these goodies in your pantry. It's always a good idea to check your pantry first to see what you already have. You might be pleasantly surprised that you have most of the ingredients on hand. But trust us, using high-quality ingredients will make a world of difference in the final taste. Investing in good quality flour, sugar, and cocoa powder can elevate your cake from good to extraordinary. So if you can, opt for the best ingredients you can find. For the cake, 2 cups all-purpose flour and 2 cups granulated sugar. Flour and sugar are the foundation of our cake, providing structure and sweetness. Measure them accurately for the best results. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup buttermilk, ½ cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Each of these ingredients has a specific role to play. Cocoa powder gives our cake its rich chocolate flavor, while baking soda and baking powder help it rise. Buttermilk adds a slight tang and keeps the cake moist, and vegetable oil ensures a tender crumb. Eggs provide structure, and vanilla extract enhances all the flavors, and 1 cup of boiling water. The boiling water helps to bloom the cocoa powder, intensifying the chocolate flavor and making our cake even more delicious. For the coconut pecan frosting, use 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 6 large egg yolks. This frosting is what makes our cake truly special. The evaporated milk and sugar create a creamy base, while the egg yolks add richness and help thicken the frosting. 1 cup unsalted butter, cut into pieces, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Butter adds a luxurious creaminess to our frosting, and vanilla extract enhances all the flavors, making the frosting irresistible. 1½ cups sweetened shredded coconut. Coconut adds texture and a delightful tropical flavor to our frosting, making it the perfect complement to our chocolate cake. And 1 cup of chopped pecans. Pecans add a wonderful crunch and nutty flavor to our frosting, making each bite a delightful experience. That wasn't so bad, was it? Gathering all the ingredients is the first step to baking success. Now that we have everything we need, we can move on to the fun part, actually making the cake. Let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Preheating the oven ensures that our cake bakes evenly and rises properly. It's an important step that shouldn't be skipped. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round baking pans. This step is crucial to prevent our cake from sticking to the pans. Coat the pans thoroughly with butter or oil and then dust them with flour. This will create a barrier between the cake and the pan, allowing the cake to release easily once baked. We wouldn't want our masterpiece sticking to the pan, would we? Taking the time to properly prepare our pans will ensure that our cake comes out perfectly every time. Now that our ingredients are ready and our pans are prepared, we're all set to start baking. Now, let's create the base of our culinary masterpiece, the chocolate cake layers. This is where the magic begins, and every step is crucial to achieving that perfect, moist, and rich chocolate cake that everyone loves. Whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. These dry ingredients form the foundation of our cake, and it's essential to mix them well to ensure that each bite is balanced and flavorful. This ensures everything is evenly distributed for a perfectly textured cake. The even distribution of these ingredients will help the cake rise evenly and give it a consistent texture throughout. Whisk together the buttermilk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract in a separate bowl. These wet ingredients add moisture and richness to the cake, making it tender and flavorful. The buttermilk, in particular, adds a slight tang that complements the sweetness of the chocolate. Add this wet mixture to the dry ingredients and beat at low speed for 30 seconds, then at medium speed for 2 minutes. This step is crucial as it helps to incorporate air into the batter, making the cake light and fluffy. Beating the mixture at a low speed initially helps to combine the ingredients without overmixing, while the medium speed ensures a smooth and lump-free batter. The batter might look a bit thin, but don't worry, the boiling water is our secret weapon. The hot water helps to bloom the cocoa powder, intensifying the chocolate flavor and ensuring a moist and tender crumb. Carefully pour in the boiling water and beat on low speed until combined. The batter will become thinner, but this is precisely what we want. The hot water helps to dissolve the sugar and cocoa powder, creating a smooth and glossy batter. The batter will become thinner, which is precisely what we want for a super moist cake. This thin batter will bake into an incredibly moist and tender cake with a rich chocolate flavor that melts in your mouth. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared pans and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a wooden skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. This ensures that the cake is fully cooked and has a perfect texture. Once baked, let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This will prevent the cakes from sticking to the pans and allow them to cool evenly. Cooling the cakes on a wire rack is important, as it allows air to circulate around them, preventing them from becoming soggy. Once the cakes are completely cool, you can level them if needed, and they are ready to be frosted and assembled into a beautiful and delicious chocolate cake. Leveling the cake layers ensures the cake will stack evenly and look professional. Use a serrated knife or a cake leveler to trim off any domed tops, creating a flat surface for frosting. Now that our cake layers are perfectly baked and leveled, they are ready for the next step: frosting and assembly. While the cakes are baking, let's create the star of the show, the coconut pecan frosting. In a saucepan, combine the evaporated milk, sugar, and egg yolks. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and coats the back of a spoon, about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in the butter and vanilla extract until smooth. Stir in the coconut and pecans and set aside to cool slightly. This frosting is nothing short of a dream come true. No masterpiece is complete without the finishing touches. While the coconut pecan frosting cools and the cakes bake, let's whip up a simple yet elegant chocolate ganache to top our cake. In a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water or in the microwave, melt 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips with 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Stir until smooth and glossy. This ganache will add another layer of indulgence to our already incredible cake. Once the cakes have cooled completely, carefully run a knife around the edges to loosen them from the pans. Invert the cakes onto a wire rack to cool completely. Now the fun part begins: assembling our masterpiece. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate and spread with half of the coconut pecan filling. Top with the second cake layer and spread the remaining filling over the top and sides of the cake. Now comes the hardest part: waiting. Cover the cake loosely with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and the cake to firm up, making slicing and serving a breeze. While you wait, you can dream about the deliciousness to come, or perhaps prepare a pot of tea or coffee to accompany this decadent treat. After the long wait, it's finally time to indulge. Remove the cake from the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before serving. This will soften the frosting and cake slightly, ensuring the perfect texture in every bite. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish the cake with chocolate shavings, toasted pecans, or even a dollop of whipped cream. Slice, serve, and prepare to be showered with compliments. Today, we embark on a delicious journey to create a dessert that's legendary: German chocolate cake. This cake is not just a treat, it's a celebration of flavors and textures that will leave you and your guests in awe. Don't be fooled by the name. This cake is as American as apple pie. Originating in the mid-19th century, it was named after Samuel German, an American baker who developed a type of dark baking chocolate for the Baker's Chocolate Company. We're talking layers of moist chocolate cake cocooned in a symphony of coconut and pecans. Each bite is a harmonious blend of rich chocolate, sweet coconut, and crunchy pecans, creating a texture that is both satisfying and indulgent. Get ready to wow your friends and family with this absolute showstopper. Imagine the joy on their faces as you present this masterpiece, a cake that not only looks stunning but tastes divine. This isn't your average chocolate cake, it's an experience. The richness of the chocolate cake combined with the unique coconut pecan frosting creates a flavor profile that is truly unforgettable. The cake itself is rich and decadent, while the coconut pecan frosting adds a delightful texture and sweetness. The frosting is made with a blend of evaporated milk, sugar, egg yolks, butter, and vanilla, cooked until thick and then mixed with coconut and pecans. It's the perfect balance of flavors and textures, making it a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or just a special treat, this cake will surely make any occasion memorable. So, are you ready to embark on this baking adventure? Let's get started. Gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and create a dessert that will be talked about for years to come. And there you have it, dazzling bakers. You've successfully created a German chocolate cake masterpiece that's guaranteed to impress. Now don't be shy, share pictures of your creation and tag us on social media. You can even share in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking adventure. Until next time, happy baking!